You did the smart thing. Bought the generator, paid the installer, checked the box. Storm season came, you weren't scrambling for candles, and for a little while, it felt like peace of mind. But now, months later, no one's followed up, no one's called, no maintenance, no inspection, and you're starting to wonder if something went wrong, who would actually show up? Here's what most people don't realize. The day your generator gets installed, a timer starts. Oil degrades, batteries lose their edge, filters clog. And it doesn't matter how clean the install looked. If no one's touched it since, you're not protected. You're just hoping, and hope won't keep the lights on. We've been inside thousands of Orphaned installs, generators installed by someone else, then quietly abandoned. Some were underbid from the start, just enough to land the job, but not enough to support it long term. And many times, the cheapest quote isn't a deal. It's just a race to the bottom. Others were well done, but never handed off to a service team. No plan, no follow-up, no technician who knows the system. We've seen 200 amp homes powered by 14 kW generators with no smart load management, no shedding modules, no protection. So when the AC kicks on or the well pump hits, the generator gets pushed beyond what it was built for and shuts it down to protect itself. To the homeowner, this feels like failure, but it isn't. It's physics. That machine was never set up to win. You don't discover the problem on a quiet Tuesday, you find it during the storm. The power drops, you wait, and nothing happens. That's when it hits. I thought we were covered, but all you had was hardware. No backup plan, no team behind it. If your generator came from Generex, Cantor, Midwest, Graston, Ambrose, or Ronco, you're already in the system. We know your install, we know your unit, and when the grid fails, you're not calling for help. You're already on the list. But if you bought from someone else, someone who's no longer around or never offered real service in the first place, we'd love to meet you. We'll get your unit checked out, tuned up, and storm ready, and introduce you to the team that shows up. Not just when things work, but when they don't. If you're a Generac or Kohler dealer anywhere in the United States, this part's for you too. We know what it means to care about your customers long after the install. When that customer ends up 1,000 miles from your office, they still deserve great support. We're not here to replace you. We're here to reinforce you, to be the extended service arm you wish you had in every region, so your customers get the help they need when you can't be there yourself. Because when the next storm hits, it's not about whose name is on the invoice, it's about who's showing up. All hands in, no generator left behind. Let's serve together. A generator isn't just a one-time decision, it's a system, a schedule, a relationship. And just because it worked once doesn't mean it's ready now. If no one's checked your system in over a year, you're not storm ready. You're banking on things going right. If you're not sure who to call anymore, call us, because real backup doesn't end at installation. It's who's out there when the lights go out.